welcome to my channel. My name is Deepa. So you know that I always keep sharing like the products that I got in my PR, the clothing that I purchased, for my brands and all of that. So in today's video, I'm gonna show a collaborative of all of that. So firstly, some of the items are what I purchased and some of the items are what I received. So yeah guys, you know that in every of my video, I share one of the favorite Mamaearth product in that month which I really like. So today I'm here to talk about two products which I really liked. So the first one is the Mamaearth Rice Face Wash and the next one is the Mamaearth Rice Day Cream. So these are the two products which I wanted to show you guys. So yeah, so I am excited to try these because I really like the rice range by Mamaearth. I also like their face scrub which I'm using always because it has rice granules which I really like, which help a person like me that applies makeup a lot, to use that very nicely. Like it is so nice, so it smells so amazing. So I'm excited to try these two products from the same range. So I want to talk about Mamaearth in general. So Mamaearth is a plastic positive brand. It is free from all harmful chemicals, and I also have a coupon code with with them. So I'll mention it right here. You can use it on the website and on the app. Yeah. So it's available on Nykaa. It's available on Amazon. It's available on First Cry if you're looking out for baby products, and it is also available on Nykaa Purple, and it's also available on their website and app. So you can download the app. Yeah. So there is another initiative which I really like by Mamaearth. So every time you purchase a product, Mamaearth plants a tree. Yeah. You get to know about the species, where it is, what is the geographical location, and Mamaearth has a target that by 2025 it wants to plant many trees, like 1 million trees. Yeah. So kudos to that. So let's get into the products. So the first one that I want to talk about is the Mamaearth Rice Face Wash. So this is with rice water and niacinamide. So that rice water is very good for glow. Yeah, and it also gives you a very good hydration. And niacinamide is very good for acne prone skin. So if you have a lot of acne and all of that, like open pores and all of that, it treats that. So when I use this, I really like the smell. So I'm gonna read out the ingredients and I'm gonna show you here of how I use this. Yeah. So this contains mystric acid. This contains lauric acid. This contains rice water. This contains niacinamide. This contains titanium dioxide. This contains vitamin E, and it contains stearic acid. So all of these help in skin regeneration, and you have rice water which is in itself a very good ingredient for nice the glass finished skin. Yeah. So I'm gonna read out the directions of use. So apply a small amount on wet face and gently massage with your fingertips in a circular motion. Concentrate on forehead, nose, chin. Rinse off with water and pat dry. Avoid contact with eyes. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you here. I like to double cleanse. So this is a good product for double cleansing because it has rice water. So you can use my code also if you want to purchase. Yeah, the links and all this will be in the description, so do check out. So I'm gonna show you another product. So this is the packaging. It has that white and brownish packaging. Yeah. So this is Mamaearth Rice Day Cream with rice water and niacinamide for glass skin. Another plus point of both these products is that it is for all skin types, and it has the made safe, the made safe strategy used, in all of their products. So this product day cream also has a SPF of 30. So I'm gonna show you the product of how this is. So yeah, my entire products, from day to night, I use so many of the Mamaearth products. So yeah, so this is the packaging. It comes in this pump format like this. Yeah, so this is the consistency. It's like a white day cream. Yeah, and it mixes also very nicely. It smells also very good. I really like this rice range smell a lot. So this contains niacinamide, rice water. It contains citric acid. It contains sodium citrate, and there is a lot of vitamin C, in this, and it also contains glycerine. So these are the primary ingredients. The directions of use are: pump out an adequate amount on your palm. Apply evenly on your face and neck and gently massage with fingertips till completely absorbed. Apply every 6 hours for effective protection. Reapply after every swim, or in case of excessive sweating can be used under makeup. So that is the benefit of this. So I'm going to show you here of how I've used. So I generally like to use before I go for my gym, for my workout. I work out from home. So before I work out, I like to use this. And I really like their packaging because it's very nice. You can keep it in your bag. So you get almost 50 grams of product. It mixes in very nicely. You can see I am hardly feeling anything. So you can put this in your bag. So it is for sweat proof also. So I like to use this in the morning, like when I work out. So after I wash my face, I like to use this, so that it's very nice and very like you have the glass skin. So yeah guys, so these were the two products which I wanted to show you guys. You can also check out the face scrub which I showed in one of my video. I really like that also, and I use it to remove my makeup and all of that. So yeah guys, so these were the two products I showed here of how I've used. So let me know if you have any questions. So the links to all this will be in the description, so do check out. Okay, so this is the Nykaa fashion. So I am, that I'm heavier on my bottom. So I am a hourglass figure, but I have heavy hips. So I, whenever I can get good bottom wear, like I have very thick thighs. So, they're not so thick, but it's the sizing is a little bit tough because I'm on the curvier side. So whenever I get a good, bottom that I can, steal, I never experiment with my bottoms. I always wear dark colors. So the girl has big booty. So, I always ensure that, I get something that I'm getting in a good deal. I ensure that, I grab that. So this is a skirt cum short cum, all of that. And I got it in black and white. Because I'm gonna put a photo right here. When I'm editing this video, I am going to wear it. So I'm gonna show you guys right here. So I really like this because I can pair this up with many of my dresses and tops and all of that. So I got this. So it opens fully, like it's buttoned, like it's a skirt cum squat. You can call it as a squat. That's short plus skirt. So this is the one. So I really like this. I got this. So it's from a brand called Zinc London. So this is the brand. So I got this. I got it in my size. So I got this. I always like loose, a little bit loose. So I went for a little bit loose. So it's high waisted. It is so nice because it's short. You can be free. You can it's the material is very soft, very nice. So I got this one. I really liked it, and it's a skirt plus mixed plus short. So it buttons up, which I really like it's very easy to wear. So this was the one that I got. I'm gonna show you a couple of the items that I got. So I am working out a lot these days. So I got myself something from Puma as well. I really loved this color. I really like pink and red and those colors. So I got this from Puma. And let me just show you guys. So it is that magenta color. I like something that is till your knee and above your knee. It's very easy and convenient to work out. So I got myself this, and it is in this magenta color, like your Rani pink. So I got in that, and let me just show you guys. So this is the one. So it's by Puma. I really like Puma because Kareena Kapoor is, I think, brand ambassador for this, and I really like that. And so this is the one. This is your shorts. So so I liked it. I got it in a little bit loose so that even if I if I work out, it'll fit me. I think it is very loose. Should I exchange? So I'm gonna wear tomorrow and figure out if I have to exchange. So so I just received it today morning. So I wanted to show you guys. It's okay, I can exchange. So so this is the one. So it is still the shorts. It's very nice. It's very convenient. I hope so it will fit me. I don't want too loose clothing, so I'm gonna exchange if it doesn't fit me. Actually lost a couple of weight. I lost a few inches. So if this doesn't fit me, I'm gonna exchange it. So I'm gonna show you a couple of earrings that I got from my if you follow me on my Instagram, that I'll have a lot of earrings from this Instagram page. So I am wearing one right now today, this heart shape, like they're so nice, like they stay so nice. And I like something, you know, my face type is like something that is very long, suits me. So I have this entire set, you know, of earrings. So I am wearing one right now from the set. Yeah, so beautiful. Yeah, I have a lot of earrings and, you know, bracelets and neck pieces from her. I really like them. Yeah, so this is the one. So it's a complete set. Very painty, very nice. It makes you look so good. And I'm wearing the heart one right now. So this is the one. It's a heart shaped one. So I'm wearing one right now. So I'm gonna show you one more thing that I have. So this is the one. So wait, I'll open and show you. So the earrings suit me because, you know, I like very long earrings. Yeah, that's something that comes till my shoulder. I really like that. So this is another one. I'm gonna pack that later. So I'm gonna show you what I have in the next box. So the next one that I have is this, you know, like that angel wings kind of pattern. Yeah, very nice. Yeah. So yeah, so this is another one that I have. I'm not going to open and show you guys, but you got the gist of it. It comes like very nice, like it looks very good in your pictures and all of that. Next one that I have is this one, this sunflower one. Yeah, so nice, right? Such, you know, look very good. Like if you are wearing a simple t-shirt, this kind of earrings will look very good. So yeah, and the next one that I have is this pink bow kind of earrings. So cute. So yeah, so loved it. Blue one, this pastel blue, that's it. So this pastel blue, so nice. Yeah. So it has that flower pattern all over the hoop. Yeah, I got 3 boxes. So I'm gonna show you guys. Is this pearl one. So as I said, something that is very big, suit me, you know, hoops and all of that. So you have this pattern, you know, which you know, the pearls get bigger. Wait, I'm gonna open and show you. So this is the one, you know, your pearls get bigger, you know, as you go towards, even this, on this top it will look very nice. So yeah, so I like very, you know, I love accessories, you know, you will see a lot of accessories, and all these are like, you know, each is 90 rupees like that. Yeah, it is not even so expensive, like even if it's damaged and all, you won't feel so bad. So another earring that I have is this yellow one. So it's twisted, like the pearls are twisted. Yeah, that yellow pearls are twisted and yellow beads are twisted, and you have a white version as well. Even on this top it will look very good. Yeah, this white version as well. So those are all the earrings that I got. So I also have a parcel from Carvaria, but I'm not gonna show it in this video. I want it to be an exclusive video because there are very interesting items and I want to do a try on haul. So I'm gonna do that in a next video. So stay tuned, I'm gonna keep this. So we have some items from Carvaria. It's by Aishwarya, like your YouTuber. And I also actually got myself you know, jeans from Nike Fashion. In the morning today, like I was organizing, so I just you know, it is in the pile. So I'm gonna show you here of the snap that I got. I really like the pattern on the you know, on the side. Like I really like that. It is still it's half like your shorts itself. So this is your under eye cream. Yeah, so this is by Wellness Shop. So I got this in PR. So I want to try this. This is your Eminescence under eye cream. So I always, you know, look out for products that you see the shine that, you know, the lips are, you know, having. So I'm gonna end my video right here. So I'm gonna show you guys that I can show you that jeans in the Carvaria you know, shoot, you know, video which I shoot. So I wanted to be a try on haul. That's why I am, you know, withholding myself from showing them in this video. So yeah guys, I hope you liked today's video. So please subscribe, like, share. So yeah, so I'll see you guys in another video with more skincare, more fashion, more beauty and all of that. Until then, this is Deepa bidding a bye. Bye guys.